Welcome to this tutorial on how to use cashback on a credit card. Using cashback on a credit card can be a great way to earn rewards and save money on your purchases. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use cashback on a credit card. First, choose a credit card that offers cashback rewards. There are many credit cards available that offer cashback rewards, so it is essential to compare different cards and find the one that best suits your needs. Consider the cashback rate, the categories that earn cashback, and any limitations or restrictions. Once you have chosen a credit card, make sure you understand how the cashback rewards work. Typically, cashback rewards are earned as a percentage of your purchases, and the rewards are usually redeemed as a statement credit or a check. Some credit cards may also offer higher cashback rates for certain categories, such as groceries or gas. To earn cashback rewards, simply use your credit card to make purchases. You can use your credit card for everyday purchases, such as buying groceries or filling up your gas tank. You can also use your credit card for larger purchases, such as buying a new TV or paying for a vacation. As you make purchases, your cashback rewards will accumulate. You can track your rewards by logging into your online account or by checking your statement. Once you have accumulated enough rewards, you can redeem them for a statement credit or a check. To redeem your cashback rewards, log into your online account and follow the prompts to redeem your rewards. You can usually choose to redeem your rewards as a statement credit, which will apply to your current balance, or as a check, which will be mailed to you. Best practices for using cashback on a credit card include paying your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges, using your credit card for all of your purchases to maximize your rewards, and avoiding categories that do not earn cashback rewards. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of your cashback rewards and save money on your purchases. In conclusion, using cashback on a credit card can be a great way to earn rewards and save money on your purchases. By choosing the right credit card, understanding how the cashback rewards work, and following best practices, you can maximize your rewards and get the most out of your credit card.